Hi, we're here at the Rufford Pastures show house and we can take a quick look at the different kitchen styles. On the Rufford Pastures Kitchens, as an upgrade, we do the quartz finish for the work surfaces, which are really durable, and we picked 4 colours that are on trend and what we sell the most of, all tie in lovely with the different door frontages that also we offer. So we've got Starlight with a bit of mirror chip, so give a bit of a sparkle. Sports Grey with a nice subtle marbled feel, quite a nice classy finish that will sit nicely with our Shaker Premium painted shaker door. We've got a very nice clean pure white, which is a favourite, and the Grey Starlight, which again, just like the white one, has a nice sparkle to it. There's some really nice, we call them the perfect scents. They're a nice lacquered matte finish incorporated with some Halifax oak, and these are the premium shaker doors, which are solid ash and come in quite a few nice modern colours, including the blue that we talked about earlier. And again, they're just really nice subtle colours with enough variation to suit any of these beautiful houses. Every kitchen comes as standard with Hetic soft close drawers and hinges, so everything's beautifully soft close and quiet. All our quartz worktop comes with a 1.5 bowl inset sink with integral draining grooves cut into the worktop. Also, dishwasher is standard. All of the kitchens come with integrated fridge freezer, a 50/50, so top half fridge, bottom half freezer. It's all gas hobs are standard, but you can upgrade to an induction hob if required. Built-in double oven, so grilling area at the top, main oven at the bottom. Standard spec is Zanussi, and an upgrade version of Aidy is also available. Thank you for watching this showcase of Colourhill Kitchens, and we look forward to supplying, designing, installing your next dream kitchen.